Click record. Hello, I am going to share today how I edit my videos and give you behind the scenes, behind the curtain, step-by-step guide, giving you a little bit of insight on tools that I use. Hi, my name is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services. I'm going to share with you today CyberLink PowerDirector, which is the platform that I use to edit my videos. Greatly appreciate if you would subscribe. I am working towards getting my 100 subscribers because at 100, I am able to then give an individual name to my channel instead of the big long list of letters and numbers. My passion is to help you reach your audience and understand the variety of what lights people up so that you can create an engaging experience, whether it's presentation, workplace training, whatever you're doing to reach your audience. Hey, I'm going to show you CyberLink PowerDirector of how I edit my videos, a little bit behind the scenes, step by step. So I just first clear my working space here and all of the pre-uploaded items I just remove. I usually upload my outro, Patricia outro. I usually upload perhaps my logo, and sometimes I want just, and might upload music. And then I've got a few that I use. This is one I use often, so I've got my fave. And then the video that I am working on today is with the scheduler later. And then I did record some other video that I may have moved around. Oh, here we go. Oh, I have not taken a closer look. So we'll see what I have here and what fits. So I want to figure out my intro first. Let's see. Oh, before I put it into the spot, I'm just going to play it here. Oh, I gotta do that, and that, and that. Oh, need to make sure I don't forget this. Hi. Usually there is a little bit of space at the beginning. I just want to remove, fill gap, move all clips. Do this. Okay. So this is where I would then insert what I recorded. I might cut that down, insert, move all clips. What I sometimes do at the beginning is add some music as well, but make it not too loud because I'm talking. Right. Want to add in my logo right here too. So I want to make sure too, before I continue, and now the great thing about CyberLink PowerDirector is there's also all kinds of things I can add in for additional effects if it fits with my message and my focus. Now, for example, juggling a lot of balls, if there was anything that kind of was this clock, that might work too. So let's put that there, and then we'll make it smaller. And we'll give that a look. See if there's anything you can search here as well, but I take a look and get some ideas if there's something that I want to add. I can add in text as well, and you can see some of the custom ones I've done in the past. Link below, mention all of that, which I will have an affiliate link below. And there's transitions as well, so I can try and see how that looks. It's not exactly the right timing, so then I can go back and play with that as well. I can look at the audio. For example, right now I'm not using my mic, so we'll see how the audio turns out for this. Crop that. So when I've edited, added maybe some words as well, and let's see, there's all kinds of great moving words and different ways I can overlay. And when I overlay something, I can just move it on the screen and show you there as well. And when I have edited it down and made it all work together, what I would also do is add my outro at the end and some music at the end, and make sure that I end that okay. I want it quiet, but not too quiet. Let's just try. Let's see, move that out for now. Let's see if this works. Reach your audience and have some light bulb moments. So I need to make sure that is even quieter. Don't want too much time. So clip, delete, fill gap. I can't because this is there. Fill gap. Try that. So sometimes what I do is I might add a little bit of an overlay for the next time and make it smaller and make that quieter. And then this is where I would add some text. I want to, that's representing a camera, but I can edit that and do next time. Oops. Save as next. It's fine. I can change the font here too if I wanted to. or bold it. Change the font. Okay. If there was a clock, I could do that as well. I can add that and see where it ends up. And the problem with this is I would want it on the other corner. So it's not the right look that I'm looking for. I would want something, maybe this one. It's not too many images at the same time. Next time. And I would want to change the font. Lots to pick from. Okay. And let's try this out.
And until next time,
this is how I then ended the last video about the scheduler later.
thank you so much for checking out this video, or if you're listening online as a podcast, or if you're reviewing the blog with additional tips. Thanks for tuning in.